So Simple Tutorial.
Good morning students. Welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. This is Vijay Singh, your social science teacher for grade 10. This is a part of T20 series where you will practice 20 MCQs. Today's topic is sectors of the Indian economy. I'll be showing you 20 MCQs one by one at an interval of 8 seconds. What you have to do is to take a pencil and paper like this. As you read the question, write the correct option in the paper immediately. At the end of question number 20, I'll come back with the answers. Okay, so you start doing the questions now. Let us check the answers now. When we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, it is an activity of primary sector. So the correct option is A. The tertiary sector is also known as service sector. So the correct option is C. Which of the following activity does not come under tertiary sector? Horticulture. It is an activity of primary sector. So the correct option is D. Which one of the following activities does not belong to the primary sector? Weaving. So the correct option is D. Which type of goods are used up in producing the final goods and services? Intermediate goods. So the correct option is D. The value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year is known as GDP. So the correct answer is A. Which of the following sectors is the largest employer in India? Primary sector. So the correct option is A. Which is the largest producing sector in India today? Tertiary sector. The correct option is C. A kind of unemployment under which more workers are working than required is called disguised unemployment. So the correct option is C. Underemployment is a situation where people are working less than what they are capable of doing. So the correct option is D. Which of the following was the objective of NREGA 2005? to provide 100 days employment in a year by the government. So the correct option is B. What will happen if government fails to provide 100 days employment under NREGA? Unemployment allowance will be given. So the correct option is C. In which of the following sectors employees are normally exploited? Unorganized sector. So the correct option is C. Which of the following is not an activity of organized sector? A farmer irrigating his field. So the correct option is C. Which of the following is not applicable for a worker who works in an organized sector? In an organized sector, he or she is not paid for leave. So the correct option is B. Workers enjoy job security in organized sector. So the correct option is D. These sectors are classified into public and private sector on the basis of ownership of enterprise. So the correct option is C. The motive of public sector enterprise is social welfare and security. The correct option is C. Indian Railways is an example of public sector. So the correct option is B. Which of the following acts would not apply to a company like TISCO? National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. C. NREGA is a different kind of law not applicable to a factory. So option D is correct. This is all, dear students. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Count your scores now and write me in the comment section below. In this channel, besides lessons, you will also get practice MCQs, competency-based questions, one-shot revision and many more. So subscribe to it and stay connected. Thank you.